Immersing yourself in nature is a great way to relax, recharge, and find balance in your life. Try activities like hiking, boating, fishing, or cycling. These activities help you explore and enjoy the beauty of nature in an active way. In your free time, find a quiet, airy space and practice meditation or yoga. Breathing fresh air and listening to the sound of the wind blowing will help you relax and re-energize so you can live a happier life. Nature has the ability to calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Looking at trees, flowers, and natural landscapes helps create a feeling of relaxation, calms the nervous system, and reduces anxiety. Spending time outdoors and looking at nature helps regulate circadian rhythms and improve sleep quality. Natural light and fresh air help the body relax and fall asleep more easily. Isn't that wonderful?